Welcome back, Rico Money Bags, the channel helping you invest in yourself so we can invest in the future. Today we're going to do a how to buy video on Myro on the DEX side of things. I had a lot of people ask me, yeah, they understood how to buy on the CEX, that's centralized exchange, but they needed help with buying on the DEX tools side of things. And we want to take advantage of that. This is going to be more than just a how to buy video, but we'll do the how to buy part first. And then we're going to do some price predictions, why I'm buying Myro on the dip, and why I'm still saying that this is a billion-dollar project all day. But something that we want to take advantage of while we're loading up is looking in the future. If you're, bullish on Myro, we got Myro staking in the future. So we're going to be doing this on a Solflare wallet to help everybody out. We're swapping on Raydium and we're using Solflare. I'm going to have all these official links for everybody down below, and you guys can add the extension just like I did to make it very simple and very easy to do this transaction. Okay. So first off, we're going to start off on Raydium. We'll talk about the prices obviously at the end of the video. I'm buying Myro on the dip. Usually there's that break above and then a pullback. We're holding right here, kind of making a bull flag. But nonetheless, we're getting ready for some staking in the future. We got a lot of good things coming from this team. We got an amazing community. And if you guys want to see more buys on the chart, let's get this video over 100 likes, over 1,000 views for sure, 2,000 views, as many as we can, so the YouTube algorithm will push these out and we can show people how to buy on the DEX side of things because people were asking. Okay, so let's start off by getting our wallet connected, and we're going to be using, like I said, a Solflare wallet. You want to have, this is a tutorial wallet I'm going to use for you guys. You guys want to have some Sol already in there, and make sure you guys have some Sol left in there to be able to do the transaction. Whenever you're doing a transaction on any native, you'll use the native token of any blockchain. So if you're using Ethereum, obviously you need ETH for the gas fees. If you're using Binance Smart Chain, you'll need some BNB to be able to continue with the transactions. And the same goes for this. You're going to need some Solana. And right now, Solana's on the dip at $88. So we got a great buy opportunity on Myro. I'm buying it on the dip. We got a lot of great news, a lot of new partnerships coming from, as far as influencers, as far as marketing going with Myro, getting the word out there. And we're starting to see Bitcoin recover really quick, right? Of course, there's going to be some pullbacks and whatnot like that. But like I said, been saying on this channel, we're not going to wait for Bitcoin to hit 69,000 to say the bull market's back and the bull run's here. We already know it's here. Watch the video that I did on Bitcoin's price prediction where we talk about the rainbow chart and all that. So we're here right now. These are the times that you load up on a project at a discount for the low, the fire sale of $191 million market cap that I believe has that 2021 vibe of that bull market. Same kind of thing I'm feeling right now, like we're in. And with Solana's hype with the phone and everything like that, I want to be part of this where I get to tell people we were part of this before it was $1 billion project, because this is going to be one of those $1 billion projects. So we're going to load up. We're going to use this tutorial wallet. We're going to connect our wallet, right? So we'll go ahead and connect. We're using the Solflare wallet. We've seen this on the Myro's X page. So this is what I'm bullish on as well. And you guys can use whatever you guys want. Don't have to use anything because this is not financial advice. But like I said, go ahead and tap in with the links that I have down below. I also have a link to the Moneybags Mansion where I showed the videos of Myro. But as we can see right here, we got this. Connect the wallet. You guys don't have to have auto connect, auto approve. Maybe don't have those connected, okay? Just have a little bit of layer of security. So we're doing this swap on Raydium. Let's connect our wallet. Solflare wallet connected. We see that up there. And we can see our balance of Sol right now. So like I said, remember, we want to have at least some Sol left over to be able to complete the transaction. So we're going to go ahead and put one right there. So we'll do one Sol at $88. Sol is on the discount as well. We're going to swap. We're going to get 458 Myro right now. Go ahead and hit the swap. We're going to get that drop down again from Solflare. This is the easiest way that I found to do it. Go ahead and approve. Confirming the transaction. Swapped. And just like that, I think it's calculating. Boom, just like that. The balance right there, the 458. You guys can just see that I got the balance of the Myro right there. We can come over to our Solflare wallet and let's see if, one second, go over here, grab the contract really quick. If the Myro contract, right? If the Myro is not showing up in your wallet, don't get nervous. Come over here to add new asset. and copy, like I just did. I copied the contract address over there, type it in right there, add Myro, confirm. Okay, so maybe that transaction, let's see, let's go back just in case you guys go through this. This is good. Let's check our wallet right here. So we got our Myro in our wallet. So maybe it's not popping up on the Solflare. Maybe I got to update it. Maybe it's something to do with the cookies. But nonetheless, it is already added to my wallet. As far as the extension goes right here, we can see it. We didn't have to add the contract address, or maybe it just added it right now. So we added some Myro to the bag. We're looking into the future. Staking coming. This is going to be very bullish for us. This is where the video is a plus video because we showed people how to load up on this DEX. Leave some bullish comments down below. Tap in with me on the Money Bags Mansion where we're going to be hosting AMAs. We're going to be talking about Myro. We're going to keep talking about Myro on this channel. We're going to keep spreading the word. So you guys keep working with me. This community is amazing. And now we're going to get over here to these price predictions and technical analysis on Myro. We're having a great time. These are healthy corrections. Bitcoin's back at 40,000. The prices are correcting. We already know that we're in that bull market. We're in that blue zone of that Bitcoin rainbow chart, and this is that area that you need to start loading up. This is where DCA actually makes sense, and we have to be careful with that because sometimes DCA is talked about once it's already past that trend. But right now, this is that time where they're trying to shake people up and about, up and down, and around and around. They're trying to exhaust you, so you close your positions and you're not sure. You got uncertainty, you have doubt, you got fear, you got FUD all over you. And you want to make sure that you're correcting that by understanding that this is a long-term investment, looking at Myro being $1 billion project. Yes, we're talking about short-term right here when we're talking about support and resistance nonetheless, but this is so we can keep data, so we can have fun, so we can document our progress while we make history with, you know, blockchain technology, with Myro, with Solana, because this is all brand new. So it's part of us documenting what's going on because this is the future of things, and meme coins are one of them. And right now, Myro has that great narrative right now. We're looking on the hour chart. There has been a pullback. We're trying to hold above that 1.9. But as far as I see it, all these prices to me are cheap. Even down here, 15. If you're loading up down here, 19, 15, because Myro is going to continue to push to this $300 million market cap. That's where I believe the FOMO is going to kick in, because when we look at a lot of articles, and check this out on CoinMarketCap as well, we see that this is something that people are mentioning a lot. The $300 million market cap, the $300 million market cap. So this is something that people have. And when people keep saying things like this and it's out in the news and it's in the telegrams and it's on X, that becomes that psychological barrier that we've already talked about on the channel. So this is nothing brand new to us. That's why we got it marked up here. And we're going to break past that. But right now in the short term, let's go ahead and break this time for the time frames down, layer this chart and see exactly where we're at. We'll go down to the 15-minute chart. We got a little bit of selling pressure. I loaded up. It doesn't bother me because, like I said, I want to see this project get to the billions. This community has been rocking with me. Every video is getting over 100 likes. I mean, we're going crazy on X. I know when something has something. This is it right here. This has familiar vibes to me as far as 2021 vibes, bull market, and having that solid community, having a solid project, and also really behind it all, having a solid narrative. The narrative is fresh, is brand new. Solana needs this just as much as we want it, and this is a perfect time. So we're holding on to this price. Yes, we're a little bit underneath it, but you got to give or take with crypto. Okay, so we're looking right here, and it's healthy. You know, like I said, there's going to be some give or take push, but we got prior resistance, right? Becoming future support like we always do. We lost it at one point right here. Let's just have these all tapped in. See how we were holding on to it. We kind of broke underneath it, underneath here, but you know, crypto's volatile. That's just what it is. We know that. So that's why it doesn't stay perfect on that support, but we're trying to hold on to this. If we don't hold on to it, I'll be honest with everybody, the next load up zone is going to be at that 1783. That'd be a good load up zone, because if we zoom out, we can see that was an area where we had trouble before as well, you know, trying to come back up and tap on that. And when we break past that, it gets kind of bullish. So if we came down to that 783, that's another load up zone. We're going to $1 billion. So hashtag $1 billion market cap. Let me know if we can even make it to $1. We did a video on that. But on the 5-minute chart, we're seeing that, you know, we're trying to hold on. We see on a 3-minute chart, we got a green candle. We see the buys rolling in. And the more likes we get on this video, the more comments we get, the more engagement we get on X. When I make an X post, the more the algorithms push these videos out and get potential investors to load up on their bag. So we're seeing some buying pressure right now, trying to hold on to this section. And to be honest with you, these are really exciting times because I do know that Myros is that meme token on Solana that's going to take off for a fact. I am very bullish on it, and it's exciting to know that it's giving me these vibes of that Sheep 2021, you know, the Doge, all that good stuff, the Bonk and whatnot like that, the Pepe vibes, even in the bear market, and Myro's doing that right now. So these are the ranges that you want to pay attention to because I do have traders that pay attention to in the money bags mansion. So, but even when we zoom out, oops, kind of moved it right there. Even when we zoom out, you know, overall the chart is healthy, right? That's a healthy correction. That's a 4-hour time frame. That's a healthy correction. We're holding on to that right now. We pump back above. If not, we load up on 17, no big deal. And if not, then we load up on 15 because we're going to a billion no matter what. So help me get this video to over 100 likes. If not, maybe I got to challenge you guys. Let's get 200 likes on this video. The Myro community has been going crazy. Every video getting over 100 likes. It wouldn't be too hard to get 200 likes. Let's try to get 200 likes on this bullish Myro video, this how to buy video to help people out on dexes, on how to buy on Raydium, to show them how to use this Solflare. This is the channel doing it for us. This is the channel doing it for Myro. This is the channel doing it for our investment in ourselves for the future. And I want you guys to continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.